9. Biglang papasok sa kwarto mo. Wala naman tayong problema eh. Ano bang problema natin?
Mga tao! Huwag kayong bakla!
You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees. Sabi ni SRLD, niya, considering that as requested, Attorney Soraya Lopez has been examined by the physician and cleared to the Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, si NP Valiberton, may text tayo galing kay SRLD Luna. Ma'am, sabi ni SRLD Luna, tapos na yun. To General Victoria from SRLD Luna, as for Attorney Soraya Lopez, the Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torres, as Representative Pan, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the unfettered access of her personal physician during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full facility rights of the following people: Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, and President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all hospital safety guidelines will be followed as hospital policies on station. Ito pa yan, for safety, we need to fly time. Dito, maraming witness na. Dito naman mo, sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni VP. Ma'am, sasakay po kayo. Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center. Hindi ka naman iniwanan ni VP. Yes, promise. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Ano? Hindi ko lang iiwan.
Bigyan nyo ng magandang ano dyan. Kadalang. Ito lang kayo dyan. Dyan lang mama.
Hindi, baka maali.
Doon ka na ting. Wala.
Oh, may luwagan!
Dito kami sa likod mo, mama. Muna siguro.
Muna ako nga. Next.
Atras muna, atras. Atras. Ipa-atras sabi mo, sagay si mama. Abutin mo yung ano. Abutin mo yung ano. Ano ba?
Hindi nyo ba nakita yun? Hindi nyo nakita yun? Hindi ito suspect, hindi ito convict.
Ma'am, dadalhin po namin sa St. Luke's. Dadalhin din po namin sa St. Luke's.
Kanina, sinabihan kayo sa St. Luke's. Dinala nyo
Hindi
dito.
ko po ma'am alam. Ibang driver po yun.
Nako, sir.
Ibang driver po yun. Hindi po namin alam yun.
What you did, we saw it. We saw it on video. Huwag, sir. Kasama yung abogado. Asan yung abogado ni Laika? Yan. Ditingi lang yan ng contempt.
Sir, nung nanggaling kami ng batasan, sinabi ko St. Luke's kami pupunta. Dito niyo kami sa veterans.
Oo.
So what is that? That you will bring me to St. Luke's.
Saan yan pupunta, sir? Nakita mo yung kondisyon niya? Paano tatakbo yan?
So sir, kung gusto niyo po,
Sir, sumunod kayo ng lawful orders. Huwag yung alam nyo na injustice na siya sa mga tao. Huwag kayong bakla. Tama.
gusto niyo po,
Taas ninyo sa hirap nyo, mga pulis.
Naniniwala ako na it was attempted homicide because she feared for her life. Pag nakakita siya ng uniform ng police, ma'am, natataranta siya. Kasi imagine mo ba naman, 9, biglang papasok sa kwarto mo. Wala naman tayong problema eh. Ano bang problema natin? Nandoon nakadetain yung tao. Mag-a-attend ng hearing. Nagbibisita kami. Sinusunod namin yung oras ng pagbisita. I don't understand. Why do you have to antagonize a detainee who is fully cooperating sa lahat ang kailangan niyang gawin para matapos lang ang hearing na yan na money-making scheme ng mga congressman.
We are going to transport Asik Laika from St. Luke's Hospital to Veterans Hospital. This is in compliance with the directive of the House of Representatives to Major General Napoleon Taas as the Sergeant at Arms. The PNP is assisting him in this order for the transfer of medical facility for Attorney Zulaika Lopez, dated November 23, 2024. Ang nakasulat dito, considering that as requested, Attorney Zulaika Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared by the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees to government facilities for immediate implementation and signed by the authority of the Speaker.